get ready with me for a girls' night. Oh! Okay, that drink was so strong. Yikes. I drink vodka water with lemon. It helps keep me hydrated, and tonight it's so hot in Texas. Also why I'm using primer. Literally have 30 minutes to get ready. We will see. Also because it's so hot in Texas, I don't even bother doing my hair, and I like my natural curls, so whatever. I know my girlies won't care, but I do want to look hot for my squirrels. Yes, I call my girls my squirrels. Tonight, the squirrels and I are going to a happy hour / dinner at this place in Austin called Kalimoto. Half of us are trying to chill and like have a cute girly pop night, and the other half, me, we try to turn up. Hang on. Hell yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna contour and such. I'm excited to see what my friends wear today, how hot they're looking. Make sure you like and follow if you're not already, because I'll probably take some content of them looking super hot. Okay, I'm gonna blend this. Be right back. Okay, we're blended. Also, we are doing great on time, y'all. I still have 10 to 15 minutes to finish and get ready. So one of my best friends who always runs late, just like me, texted saying she's gonna be like 10 minutes late, and I was like, you my girl. Not that you asked, but I would say core group of 4, big group of like 6 to 8 girls in our squirrel gang, and 3 of us are Hispanic. I say us, if you didn't know that already, I am Colombian. My mom is from Medellin, Colombia. Pero like, that's like why I'm always running late, or that's like what I like to claim. And my best friend who's also running late, es de Paraguay, okay? Pero another one of our friends who's always on time is from Mexico City, so do with that what you want, you know? Also, after we do happy hour dinner at Kalimoto, one of my friends and I, Pam, the Paraguayan, the late one, and I would like to go to this place in Austin called Coconut Club, because I'm trying to dance, y'all. Sorry, this part's crazy. My fiance and Pam's fiance are best friends also, like since high school, so we became best friends, and God do we love those men. Pero sometimes we just need our own nights, you know? And our men are supportive kings. So last night we were with them and they were like, oh my God, what are y'all gonna do, blah blah blah, and we told them, and they were like, okay, go throw ass queens. They didn't say that, but they were supportive. So my biggest piece of advice is find a supportive partner who supports you throwing ass. And I'm not like gonna be throwing ass with a bunch of dudes, like just with my friends. Not toxic, okay? I'm just chaotic, but chaotic good. Okay, here's the fit. Our reservation is at 5:45 and it is 5:52, so we didn't do it. See y'all soon though. Like and follow to see how our girls' night went.